Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks BlackVue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified. Find yours at blackvue.com.